So, good morning, shareholders. I am Sriram Gosavi, the Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of N2N Limited. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you present at this 36th Annual General Meeting of the company. I hope all are able to clearly see and hear me on this e-platform. As there is no chairman of the board for this meeting for the company, as the provision as per the Companies Act 2013, it is proposed to appoint Mr. Nishant Upadhyay sir as the chairman for this meeting. Is that okay? Is that
yes.
okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I request Nishant Upadhyay sir occupy a chair and commence the proceedings of the meeting.
So, good morning, all shareholders and directors.
Sir, please unmute your mic.
Good morning.
No, I'm already unmute, Srinam. So, this is Nishant Upadhyay, acting as a director for N2N Technologies Limited. Today we have 36th Annual General Meeting of N2N Technologies through video conferencing. And time right now is 11 a.m. 5 minutes. We have among the shareholders as myself, we have Arvind Dubey, we have Vipul Shah, and we have Inga Advisors and Anbu Sekhar as the shareholders. Secondly, Vipul Shah might be representing multiple folios as he has multiple shareholding in N2N Technologies. And Inga is represented by Mr. Kamlesh Jetwa. So we have quorum in place. With the consent of all the members, the notice can be taken as read. And unless any shareholder has any objection to that. And secondly, we also have Mr. Vikas Asava from Maheshwari and Company as a shareholder, as a statutory auditor. He was present, but I don't know if he's still available. And scrutinizer is also present. Now they have joined again, the statutory auditor. And also I request everyone to switch on their cameras. The annual report along with the standalone financial statements with the audit report was circulated to all shareholders of the company well within time. The annual report was uploaded on the BSE website as well as it was available on the website of the company, that is n2ntechno.com. If any shareholders any queries on accounts, we can obviously take on record once we have gone through the agenda. The voting for this all agenda items, the voting period was from 27th of September to 29th of September, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. till as of yesterday. And venue voting is also on as of now. If anyone intends to vote, can also vote. The results of the AGM will be announced within next 48 hours, and it will be available on the website of BSE as well as on the website of the company, that is n2ntechno.com. I would suggest that we have received a request from Mr. Vipul Shah to register himself as a speaker, wherein opportunity will be granted to him to speak. But before the opportunity is being granted, I would suggest that let's read agenda one by one and take if any shareholders any queries, then we can address that query right away. The first agenda is an ordinary business is to receive and consider and adopt balance sheet for the year ended March 31st, 2021. And the statement of profit and loss account as on that date, with the reports of auditors and the auditors thereon, with the report of directors and the auditors thereon, to appoint director in place of Mr. Rahul Shah, who retires by rotation, being eligible 6 appointment, to appoint director in place of Mr. Tushar Shah, who retires by rotation, being eligible 6 appointment, to consider ratification of the statutory auditor, that is Messrs. Maheshwari and Company. The special business, we have appointment of Mr. Arvind Dubey as a director of the company, and appointment of Ms. Trupti Milind Pandit as a director of the company. The resolution, all resolutions are proposed to be passed as an ordinary resolution as a shareholder, I'm proposing all of these resolutions to be passed as an ordinary resolutions. If any other shareholder would like to second this resolution, we can take the same on record. So who would be seconding this resolution?
Hello.
For the
Yeah,
record.
seconding it.
Yes.
Vipul Shah here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please take one-to-one agenda, one-by-one agenda. I have many queries in each agendas.
All right. So let's start with the first one.
Please.
First is it is already been proposed and seconded. You can ask query for the first agenda.
First agenda regarding accounts of books of accounts, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Page number 15.
15.
I just want to understand.
Yes.
People who have opted themselves as an appointee for director, next director,
right,
is not available.
Okay.
Even Mr. Tushar Shah is not available.
Right.
Presumed to be CFO of the company.
Right.
Okay. And the main person, Mr. Rahul Shah, is still not available. He has not attended almost 6 to 7. I don't see him since last 6 AGM. So,
right.
What is the good reason he's not attending the AGM?
See what happens. The meeting what we need to conduct as per the company, that has to be called during office hours. So office hours, and even though it's office hours, we have to convene at a time which is convenient to all members, especially who are located in India. So once the meeting was scheduled today at 11 o'clock, so which translates into a time of 12:30 a.m. in 12:30 a.m. in Chicago. So it becomes practically impossible for any shareholder to attend at such a late point, such a late time. So
if the director comes to India, he speaks at 11 o'clock in the morning in Indian time, or he works for the office if he visits to India.
Anyway,
if the main promoter director visits India, then the timing will be the same in the US, no? If it's 11 a.m. in India, if he visits India, he will be sleeping in India, or he will be doing
obviously 11 o'clock in India.
He's the main promoter of the company, and he gives such a good excuse. Then what is the reason, sir? Since last 6-7 years, he has not attended any AGM.
Someone has kept the phone quite nearer to the microphone. Has someone logged in from both devices? It was KKM. All right. So look, when a shareholder, whoever visits India, if he's available in India, then and if the meeting is being conducted,
So apart from shareholder, sir, is the main executive director of the company, if I'm not wrong.
Who has been made?
Pardon? I'm asking about the Rahul Shah.
He is not an executive director.
Okay, fine.
It's only, if he would have been an executive director, Vipul, then the agenda seeking his reappointment would not be there.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So,
and what about Mr. Tushar Shah? He was also not available. Even last AGM was not present.
Mr. Tushar Shah is not keeping well because he's not keeping well currently. That's why he could not attend the meeting.
He's attending his shop, Pune shop, very well.
In fact,
he was in his shop, sir.
No, Vipul. If you see,
when he was in his shop.
His son is visiting his shop, Vipul.
Anyway, let it be, sir. I understand all these things. Anyway, let us come to the point.
Yes.
Page number 16. Not
yes.
15, sorry. It starts from 15, secretarial auditors and secretarial auditors remarks.
Right.
Okay. Point number 5, DSR Infotech Limited was subsidiary company when the transaction has happened.
Right.
What is it about, sir?
DSR.
Point number 5, sir. Point number 5. Page number 16. Come to page number 16 of your annual report.
Yes. DSR here. The company has granted loan to DSR Infotech.
Yes.
Now see, the loan which was granted to DSR Infotech was granted before commencement of the new act which came in 2013-2014. Okay. And the comment is there that it is a non-compliance of 185. So what we have been doing is, like, since you are quite well aware that there is no much revenue, or I should say zero revenue for the company, and despite that, company has to incur expenses in terms of convening AGM, making compliances, payment to secretarial auditors, statutory auditors, accounting, BSc listing fees, CDSL fees, NSDL fees. So what we are currently doing, those all expenses are currently gone by DSR Infotech, and we make payments out of what loan we have given. So if you see the balance sheet, you will find there is a decreasing trend in that loan what we have advanced to DSR Infotech.
Okay.
That is how it is.
Give me a little bit time, sir.
Pardon?
Give me some time.
Yeah.
I hope you will give me justified time, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, page number 31. This.
Yes.
Emphasis of matter.
Right.
Yeah. It reflects, point number D, it reflects from the income tax portal the demand of 73,19,316 and 28 lakhs 37,040, AY 1415 and 1718.
Right.
What is this 1415 AY is about?
See, this all, the 73,19,360 is, first of all, the demand is not an income tax demand. It's a penalty demand, which was under section 271, okay, which has been currently under challenge before the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. And we are very strongly pursuing that matter to have that resolved on priority. The subsequent matter is 28,37,000. That's an income tax demand, which also has been filed. Now you will notice that there is such no income, and why there is a tax demand. It was because in that particular year, certain transactions which were undertaken has been disregarded by the income tax in the assessment orders. And the very reason why it was disregarded, that the order was passed under base judgment under section 144, that is under the base judgment assessment, and the representation was not made to the ITO. That's why the reversal happened, and the income tax was.
What this transaction was about, sir? So the amount is not small, if I'm not wrong. 73 lakhs is not small.
Yeah, the transaction was actually what had happened, in that financial year. I mean, since assessment is 17-18, the financial year 16-17, the stake what we had in DSR Infotech was sold. But since it was sold, the computation of capital gain was, computed in the books. And what the income tax authority have done, they have simply disregarded the cost of acquisition and whatever proceeds it had. And they have a levied tax on that. So majorly it is because of the on the capital gain front, and there are other disallowances as well.
Which other disallowances? I need to understand.
Right now, I'm only aware of one. I mean, I'll have to check the very order and
check it, sir. Will not answer me later on.
We will answer you, Vipul. You can come down and come and meet us in office and see the entire file also.
You have not given me a chance, sir. Even I tell you, sir.
You have never sought a chance, Vipul. You have never sought a chance to come to Pune office.
Sir, check my mails.
You have been seeking documents, but you have never been asked to come to office. You have never been seeking that kind of appointment since, over the period of last 1 year.
Okay.
Office has been not functioning to their fullest capacity. All people have been working from home.
How many people are there in the office?
Office, we have 4 people.
4 people. Okay. You have not given me the extract, or either the inspection has been given to me. I asked you where place and location, where and when. You should me. Okay, sir, you can come to my office.
What we can do, what we can do, we can fix up a date, maybe some date after 15th of October. And
sir, in 2019 also you said the same thing. Books are not available with me. Right. It's with the auditor. Blah blah blah.
What happened? Post 2019.
Till that you have not given me, sir.
Let's fix up a date right now. What I'm telling it to you. We have Madhav present here, who is working along with me. You can call him. You can go and visit Pune office, and he will show you all the records, and whatever records what we are under obligation to give you as per the act, we'll provide you. Now, see, you are taking a video recording of an AGM, of last AGM, right? Video recording of an AGM cannot be provided. Instead of that, you can ask for minutes, because AGM recording.
That is because yes. Some objection has been raised in that AGM that has been not recorded in the meeting.
No. How? Minutes. You have not even seen the minutes before.
So I need to ascertain it.
But you have never even seen the minutes of that AGM. How you are able to say that it has not been recorded?
Okay.
Have you seen that? You have not even asked for the minutes. So the request what you had made for the recording is not proper. Rather, what you should have asked that these are the minutes I want. So we'll provide the minutes.
Just understand one thing. If I am wrong at some place, you would have replied me. Okay, sir, we are not in position to give you a video recording. It's not under our purview to share you the video recording. Please, if you want, we can share you the minutes. But there is no response from your side, sir.
Okay, let's fix up a date.
There is no response from your side.
You
should have reverted me.
I totally get, from where you're coming from. Why don't we fix up a date? You can, we can call Madhav. I'll share number with you. You can call him and go and see him and, take whatever documents you want as certified copy. Instead of that, then we need to have a discussion that, what we actually, rather as a support from a shareholder, that what we intend to do some business in end-to-end technologies. Because to be very honest, as you can make out from the balance sheet, Rahul has not been, doing any business from the company. And we have to actually get in touch with the shareholder and see, what other activity, what we can do with their guidance, with the lesser investment, so that some revenue can be shown. Because today, being a tech company, as you know, compliance has been made up to date because of only which the company has been traded. Though it is in Z category, it is in Z category only because of there has been no revenue. Rather, why don't we take help from you and another shareholder like Yogesh Asher and a lot of other shareholders, and see what we can do for the company, and let there be revenue. Because the pain point of the shareholder is only that the cost of acquisition has been high, maybe around 60, 70, 80 to what it may be, and the stock price is hindering around 8 rupees, 9 rupees, 10 rupees.
So you fooled by taking out DSR. Still, I am telling you, the DSR, the way you have taken it out from the company, it's an misappropriations of funds.
How it could be misappropriation?
Sir, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. Anyway, let us come to the point number 38. The page number 38. Point number 3. Annexure B to the independent director, sir.
Page number
38. Annexure B to the independent director's report, auditor's report. Yes, sir. Just as a point number 3.
This?
Yes. So what is the amount, sir? I am not much literate. I am not able to understand the amount, sir. What is the amount?
It is 2 crore 36 lakhs.
36 lakhs, 46,198.
Yes.
Okay. For what purpose it has been given?
That's why I said, this is a part loan which was granted to DSR Infotech people.
Okay. So खैरात में बांट दिया.
खैरात में नहीं बांटा है.
हाँ, इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन है सर, तो खैरात में ही बांटा ना. मेरे को दे दो, मैं इंटरेस्ट देता हूँ सर. जनरेट रेवेन्यू, इसको इंटरेस्ट लो. व्हाई डोंट यू टेक इंटरेस्ट ऑन दिस?
Interest has not been provided, because of which there has been a qualification by the auditor people. अभी उसका इंटरेस्ट क्यों नहीं दिया, क्या नहीं दिया, पैसा सेट की
सर पैसा वापस लो ना सर, इतने साल से पड़ा है ऐसे ही उनके पास.
बोर्ड नहीं
Take money back from them.
पैसा वापस लो, बट तो अभी कंपनी में रेवेन्यू नहीं है, द कंपनी डजंट हैव रेवेन्यू, तो व्हाटएवर एक्सपेंसेस वी हैव इज बीन टेकन केयर बाय डीएसआर ना.
नहीं, हमको ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं चाहिए सर, वो पैसा मांगो ना उनसे. 2 करोड़ रुपए का छोटी अमाउंट है, इंटरेस्ट फ्री यूज कर रहा है तो. महेश्वरी जी, महेश्वरी कंपनी सर.
यस
या सर, 2 करोड़ छोटी अमाउंट है सर.
पीपल, व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क अदर क्वेरी टिल
उनको इनसे बात करने अभी. सिंस ही इज अवेलेबल, लेट मी हैव अ वर्ड विथ हिम ओनली. इट्स बेटर.
नहीं, what I'm asking Vipul, till the time he is able
same audit related.
No, what other questions you have, you can put forward, na? Then by the time we will be ready with that.
Sir, we are with the this agenda number 1, and the same queries are with agenda number which is related to auditors. So let him answer. There is a clear case of operational mismanagement for the year 14, 15, 16 something.
Yes, what for we are waiting?
We will rephrase it very what you are asking.
सर ये 2 करोड़ 36 लाख रुपए 46,198 रुपीस इन्होंने इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन दिया हुआ है सर. पैसे ज्यादा है तो खैरात में बांट दिया और बोल रहे हैं हम लॉस में चल रहे हैं. तो व्हाई डोंट दे रिकवर दिस मनी फ्रॉम देम? वी कैन इवन पुट इट इन द एफडी. इफ यू पुट इट इन एफडी देयर विल बी सम इनकम, बट दे शुड हैव चार्ज इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट.
See, that query can be taken in record, but as far as if there is no income, there is no point of putting interest. But yes, in case for the provisioning, we can certainly look for it.
Sir, I'm waiting for the auditor's report, sir. I have to reply.
See, auditor has replied that interest has not been provided. What else auditor will answer? Because to recover the money
let
from
him
the
answer, no, sir. Let him answer.
Masterji, please.
यस विपुल, विपुल आप दूसरा कोई भी पूछिए ना, जब तक वो आंसर करेंगे आपको, आप इतना टाइम नहीं ले पाएंगे ना आपको
सर लेकिन उनको तो पता नहीं
देंगे ना,
पड़ता,
हम लोग आपको आंसर करेंगे विपुल उस क्वेश्चन, हम थोड़ी बोल नहीं करेंगे।
अच्छा वो अभी देखो नॉन अदर देन नॉन करंट एंड फाइनेंशियल लायबिलिटीज आ रही है, पेज नंबर 59।
59 में क्या है?
अदर नॉन करंट फाइनेंशियल लायबिलिटीज, करंट फाइनेंशियल लायबिलिटीज। ये राहुल शाह का 12 लाख रुपया क्या है सर? 12 लाख रुपीज।
ये एक्सपेंसेस पे ऑफ करने के लिए उन्होंने पैसा दिया हुआ है।
अच्छा ओके।
अभी देखो इसमें जो सबसे बड़ा अमाउंट है ना,
और सर ये तपस फार्मा पेन क्या है? तपस फार्मा पेन
नहीं ये ना, सी वी हैव डोंट हैव मच नॉलेज बिकॉज दिस ऑल एंट्रीज आर सनटेक के टाइम का है एंट्रीज, ये सब वी आर बीन जस्ट कैरिंग फॉरवर्ड एंट्रीज एज ऑफ नाउ। इट इज रादर नॉट पेएबल, बट क्या है कि उसको इफ यू टेक अ राइट ऑफ, उसको टैक्सेबल हो जाएगा।
सर राइट ऑफ करो, क्लियर करो ना, बैलेंस शीट क्यों क्लियर नहीं कर रहे हो सर आप?
बैलेंस शीट क्लियर करेंगे, बट उसके लिए सर ने
आज 5 साल से मैं आपको कम से कम 5-6 साल से बोल रहा हूँ बैलेंस शीट क्लियर करो, बैलेंस शीट क्लियर नहीं कर रहे हो सर।
सी विपुल, तपस फार्मा के में शाहरुख एंड तारा, आप ऑडिटर का नोट भी देखिए, नोट कंफर्मेशन ऑफ पेपर फ्रॉम शाहरुख एंड तारा सब्जेक्ट टू कंफर्मेशन नहीं है हमारे पास, सामने से हम कह रहे हैं दोनों बार उसको उड़ाएंगे। अरे सर टैक्स आएगा उस पर 30%, लायबिलिटी है ना वो।
और ये ओमेटा पैरालीगल सर्विसेज क्या है सर?
ये सेक्रेटरी फॉर्म है जो हम लोग मिनट्स राइटिंग और जो कंप्लायंसेस होते हैं उसके लिए पे कर, वो भी कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगा, पैसा दिया नहीं अब तक।
1,20,000।
1,20,000 कम है अभी बिल्कुल।
और ये प्रोफेशनल फीस 2 लाख।
प्रोफेशनल फीस मेरे को अभी देखना पड़ेगा, आई कैन ऑफन टेल यू व्हाट इट इज, बट प्रोफेशनल फीस वुड बी पेएबल। सी वी हैव अंडरटेकन सर्टेन टैक्स अपील्स, जैसे जो 73 लाख का आपने जो काउंटर किया है इनकम टैक्स का जो अपील है, तो हमने डीएमकेएच को ही एंगेज किया है, पुणे फॉर्म लोकल, और उनकी वो कुछ फीस पेएबल है, बट इट इज नॉट मच पीपल। सी
खर्चा का काम हो सकता है
विपुल, कंपनी virtually is a debt free, there is no debt as such, it is only where we are lacking that there is no revenue, there is no business which is been done, which we have been convincing Rahul that do something, basis which the company can be, kya hai ki if we start generating revenue, stock price would be around 300 to 400 rupees, 32 lakhs का कैपिटल है, 3.28 करोड़ का कैपिटल, उसमें से टॉप 10 शेयर होल्डर्स में विपुल शाह, उर्मिला शाह सब बैठे हैं, तो दे आर द मेन पीपल टू गेन आउट ऑफ द थिंग, बट क्या है कि बिजनेस नहीं है ना, हम लोग भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं कन्विंस
क्या गेन करूंगा क्या नहीं करूंगा छोड़ दीजिए सर। सर लोन से सर,
बोलिए सर।
लोन से वही, एक तो डीएसआर की 2 करोड़ 36 लाख रुपए की, पेज नंबर 56।
मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा विपुल जी कि वो उसका डिक्रीजिंग ट्रेंड है, अभी ये जो डिफरेंस है ना, दिस हैज वेरी
डिक्रीजिंग है, पैसा लीजिए उधर से,
क्या करें ऑप्शन जो पैसा
लीजिए ना, एफडी में डालिए, 2 करोड़ रुपए, 2 करोड़ के एफडी का इंटरेस्ट कितना है का सालाना?
अभी देखिए अगर कंपनी पैसा न दे, DSR is not able to pay, what other options we have? We have to go for insolvency. कर देते हैं,
वाइंडिंग अप का केस
डाल लेते हैं,
डालो ना सर।
आपका ठीक है, आपका सजेशन हम ले लेते हैं बिल्कुल, मिनट्स में डाल देंगे और उसके बेसिस पे इंसॉल्वेंसी इनिशिएट करते हैं। आज जो पैसा वहां से हम लोग एक्सपेंस आउट कर रहे हैं वो भी नहीं होगा फिर।
सर वो मेहरबानी थोड़ी कर रहे हैं अपने पे,
मैं कहाँ बोल रहा हूँ मेहरबानी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
हमारा
कहाँ हो जाएगा?
पैसा हमारा है सर, और आपने ऐसे दिया है, कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट लिया उनसे, 2 करोड़ रुपया दिया सर, आप
पहले का एडवांस है,
तो भाई सिक्योरिटी वगैरह कुछ लिया, ऐसे ही दे दिया 2 करोड़।
नहीं सिक्योरिटी कहाँ है? सिक्योरिटी रहता तो सिक्योर्ड में आता ना, अनसिक्योर्ड लिखा हुआ है उसमें.
हमें ऐसे ही दे दिया, लेके जाओ भाई आप जलसा करो.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछिए ना विपुल जी.
डीएसआर के ऑनर भी राहुल शाह है,
राइट.
है ना? तो राहुल शाह ने अपनी दूसरी कंपनी को 2 करोड़ रुपए ऐसे ही दे दिया कि आप यूज करो. एक कंपनी चलेगी घाटे में तो जाने दो, मेरी दूसरी कंपनी उसको लगेगा पैसा तो उसको पालने पोसने दो, इसको जाने दो. Am I right?
राइट.
और ये अदर्स रिकवर्ड कैश है सर, ये 2012 से चले आ रहा है
क्या
लोन्स में ही.
ये जो है ना सनटेक, वेल्थ मैक्स, संजो डेवलपर्स, ये सब एंट्रीज है, कैरी फॉरवर्ड एंट्रीज है ऑफ सनटेक.
सर 11-12 से चल रहा है सर ये.
वो तो मे भी तो कह रहा हूँ 11-12 से चल रहा है. हमने तो ऑप्शन दिया कि उसको राइट ऑफ कर लेते.
करिए ना सर, क्यों नहीं कर रहे? ऑडिटर्स, how you are allowing since many years this thing?
Sir, we have already mentioned in the audit report, we are qualifying the audit report itself, but the writing of call is of management. What we can do is in the balance sheet, whether these balances are standing. So we are trying to obtain the confirmation, but we have not received the confirmation. So we have qualified it in the audit.
Confirmation लेने के लिए it takes 8 years, more than 8 years.
It has not been received. We have suggested management
to
write it off.
Right now in 2021, sir. It's going on since 2011.
It's purely a management call with respect to write off. What our concern was that it is balances are standing, it may not be receivable, so it should be written off. We have qualified it in our audit report. You can see the audit report, it has already been qualified. It has been clearly mentioned that they are subject to confirmation or reconciliation. We have not received the confirmation from the same. So I'll suggest Nishant ji to write it off as soon as possible, Nishant ji, and take appropriate action on the same. This has been carried forward since
before. What I would suggest,
doesn't have internal auditors also since last probably 4 years.
So that qualification we are going to address in this year. They have been seeking an internal auditor. We are going to appoint internal auditor. See, Vipul, what I would suggest.
Sir, last year also you said that we are going to appoint internal auditor.
Mr. Nishant, you cannot take the benefit of the income tax also. You have to make the disallowances in the computation of income part.
Correct. But there is no
department will definitely ask for this amount, whether what the counterparty has done for that.
Correct.
So in spite of you can write off.
Sir, I am going to write to the income tax department for this, sir. I am going to raise these queries. For sure. Since 10-11 years this is going on. So ICWO को भी लिखने वाला हूँ मैं ये मैटर को रिलेटेड, और IT को भी मैं लिखने वाला हूँ सर. Please take a note of it.
No, people, what I would suggest, post AGM, what you can do, you can write an email specifically to these entities, and we'll escalate to the board.
No, I'm going on a different path, sir.
No, you
internal auditor, DSR, compliance officer आया अपना,
है ना?
अच्छा सर, अपना वेबसाइट जो है सर,
हाँ,
company's website,
right?
Have you gone through the company's website, sir?
Yes.
Has it been updated?
It was updated up to 2020 December, but what had happened very recently?
Woman independent director still director Akhan Pratap Singh. Woman independent director भी पुराने हैं.
नहीं
सर आप वेबसाइट देखिए सर.
हाँ, तो उस पर वेबसाइट अपडेट हो जाएगा. हमने अपडेट किया था, बट वर्जन चेंज के कारण क्या हुआ है, वो जो what had happened, we had updated the website. वेबसाइट अपडेशन के बाद
being in IT company, you tell me कि हमारे IT कंपनी है सर.
नहीं IT कंपनी के हिसाब से समझा रहा हूँ विपुल.
सर आप IT
the last backup which was available.
Your director, one of the director is one of the best director in USA, having multiple companies.
Okay, that suggestion we have taken on record, Vipul. Let's move forward.
And your website is not updated, sir.
We'll do that. What next you have?
Fine, I object to all the first resolution, sir. I am not.
Right. I know. I'm quite sure you would have all rejected the resolution. What next? Chale?
Yeah, next point, लीजिए, sir. I have full objection on this, and I am going to write to ICWA also.
Why?
I am going to write to ICAA also. There are many things since 2011 going on.
ICAA?
Yes. Maheshwari ji and company must take a record of this also. I won't allow.
ICAI you are saying?
जो भी है sir, competent authority जो भी है
parent institute है.
Sir, जो भी है competent authority जो भी
उसको भी as an auditor also will request. Nishanji, as an auditor also will request to clear out all the qualifications as soon as possible, because if this situation is going to continue, then it will be very difficult for the auditors as well. Like we report, qualify the report.
What I am suggesting.
Qualifications in IFC. But even after.
1 second, Vikas. Sorry, I'm interrupting you. What I suggest that you are party to this AGM. I'm an independent director playing the role of what a normal independent director does not do in ordinary course. What I would advise you.
Sir, there is a clear-cut case of.
No. 1 second, Vipul. I'm speaking to Vikas. Post this AGM, you can write an email to me and Rahul and cite in that email that Mr. Vipul Shah had came and he has cited out and we agree with him and this all need to be addressed. That is only going to help me in escalating the things. That's my request.
4 years back also I have written letter to this, your company's
Vipul,
CA.
1 second. Vipul, I'm speaking to an auditor. Vipul. I am requesting the auditor that what we have discussed right now, the concerns of Vipul is known to everyone. Vipul is not someone who is holding very 100 shares or 200 shares. He has been holding.
I don't even come into minority.
1 second, Vipul. Let me explain. Vipul and his family holds more than 1%, and they have come within the top 10 shareholders of the company. So whatever concern what Mr. Vipul has are genuine concern, and we have to address. We can't simply negate the concerns of Mr. Vipul Shah, and I've been knowing him since last decade now. So, as an independent director, I have been escalating these things time and again. An email from an auditor, though they have specified, but instead email from auditor to the promoter of the company that today in AGM Mr. Vipul Shah came and he has highlighted and we agreed that this need to get addressed. And priority is going to something which is going to help the company overall and the management and the interest of shareholders. Yes, Vipul, next query.
Yeah, let us your next agenda, sir.
The agenda has all been discussed. Agenda in an e-voting scenario, Vipul, we have already taken the AGM notice as read. Now, so we can take up that next agenda, but it is not something we are conducting the meeting agenda wise. All agenda have been, because once you go for e-voting, there is no necessary to read each and every agenda. Once we take
AGM cancel
करेंगे ना आपके लिए read करेंगे ना विपुल जी.
नहीं सर, AGM भी बंद करा दो, हवा का फेस ही नहीं करना पड़े किसी शेयर होल्डर को.
नहीं, मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ कि भाव 70 रुपया हो जाए और आपको एग्जिट मिल जाए कंपनी से.
मैं अभी एग्जिट नहीं ले लूंगा.
मेरी इच्छा तो है.
मैं
70 रुपये हो जाए और आप एग्जिट ले लो.
I'm going to file a suit against this company.
अरे बाप.
For sure, I am going to file a suit against this company. Auditors को भी लूंगा, सबको लूंगा मैं. I am not going to leave anybody.
मेरे को छोड़ देना बस.
ठीक है, आप तो यार इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर हो, आप तो ऐसे भी छूट जाओगे.
बस, थैंक यू.
ठीक है ना.
To appoint director in place of Rahul Shah.
And I object for that, sir.
All right, thank
Even
you.
they are not ready. They are not ready to attend the AGM.
I object, Vipulji. The word you use that you will be filing a case against the auditor, because clearly whatever has been done, we has been clearly reported in the report. So it's clearly an unprofessional way of telling this. So I request you to take your words back. With respect to companies, there are pointers is there that we agree with that. We have reported in the report. But the way you saying that there is very unprofessional.
Since how many years you have been the auditor of this company, sir?
4th year.
We have served from the last 3 years, and
this is the 4th audit year.
Okay. I have sent you some queries few years back. Probably I have sent you one queries, like mail वगैरह कुछ भेजा था मैंने, उसको कुछ reply नहीं दिया sir.
Vipul, let's go by agenda. अभी agenda discuss हो गया है, अब वो email वापस भेज देना. Next, आपने object ले लिया, ठीक है. Rahul Shah, what is next? To appoint director in place of Tushar Shah. What are you doing?
Objecting, sir.
Objecting, all right.
They should be present at least in the AGM. हमको देख
ठीक है,
शक्ल तो दिखाओ. अभी राहुल जी का
noted
शक्ल
down.
कैसा है, तुषार जी का शक्ल कैसा है, कितने साल हो गए देखे नहीं उनको.
तुषार भाई के तो आप मिले हो, तुषार भाई को जाके आप.
हाँ.
Next is,
AGM, at least they should have attended the AGM, no?
they should have, but at least there are two directors, company secretary is present, another non-executive director is present, I am present. Next is Maheshwari and Company reappointment, ratification.
I object for that.
All right.
For sure.
Appointment of Arvind Dupe as director of the company.
I have objected because company कुछ revenue नहीं कर रही, इतने सब डायरेक्टर वगैरह लेके आ रहे हो, इतने साल से कर क्या रहे हो कंपनी में?
पैसे कहाँ दे रहे हैं?
हाँ सर.
We are not paying anything to him, no?
See, there should be some revenue in the company. Why there is no revenue?
नहीं, but what happened?
राहुल से क्या कर रहा है? तुषार साहब क्या कर रहा है? कुछ जनरेट करो.
आप आ जाओ बोर्ड पे.
ले लो मेरे को बोर्ड पे, मैं तो आ जाऊंगा.
ठीक है.
लेकिन उसके लिए राहुल को नीचे उतारना पड़ेगा. मैं आ जाऊंगा बोर्ड पे.
कैसे हो सकता है? 51% उनका है.
राहुल जी को नीचे उतारो. वो तो आएगा कोर्ट में आएगा ना, तब देखा जाएगा.
ठीक है. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ श्रुति पंडित.
अगेन द फैमिली मेंबर है उनके. डीएसआर में भी डायरेक्टर, उसके पहले अभी कुछ एक कंपनी में थे, उन्होंने रेजिग्नेशन दे दिया है. आई ऑब्जेक्ट.
नेक्स्ट
company is 100% under operational mismanagement.
All right. Take on record, Vipul. Thank you so much. So this calls for end of the agenda. Voting is still on. I mean, if any shareholder has not been able to vote, they can vote. And I thank you, Vipul Shah, to join you who have joined this meeting. And
so when can I come and inspect the documents? Where and when? Please let me know right now.
Maybe last week of October.
Maybe नहीं सर, पक्का बता दीजिए या मेल पे मेरे को भेजिए आप. या मेरे को एक लिस्ट दे दीजिए कि मैं हम आपको इतना ही दे सकते हैं, उससे ज्यादा नहीं दे सकते.
26 और 27 अक्टूबर को करिए फिक्स. 26, 27. उनका
नंबर दे दीजिए, कौन है जिनसे मेरे से बात करनी है.
मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ.
प्लीज उनका नंबर दे दीजिए सर.
मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ. ठीक है.
टेल राहुल जी तो अटेंड एजीएम्स. साल में एक बार तो उनको जवाब देने का मौका दीजिए.
नहीं, वो अभी आने वाले इंडिया, तो मैं आपका मीटिंग ही करा दूंगा उनके साथ. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you Arvind ji. Thank you Malu ji. Thank you Vikas. And,
thank you Nishan sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you other shareholders as well. Thank you Inga. Thank you Vikas. Thank you Sriram.
Thank you. Okay Nishan ji.
All right.
But we'll try to improve on the reporting. Yeah.
Yes, but I would also request Vikas to send an email. What you have had interaction with Vipul, I would advise you to send an email in that regard so that the Rahul can also be aware of it. Thank you.
We already highlighted that points to the management.
No, we are aware of it, but here Vipul is threatening now. Vipul is using a threatening language.
Sir, I'm not threatening, sir. It's a clear cut. It's a clear cut things.
Okay.
10 साल तक आप अगर ये खींच रहे हो तो मतलब क्या है? बैलेंस शीट अगर आप क्लियर नहीं रखोगे तो. अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ तो महेश्वरी एंड कंपनी को पूछिए अगर बैलेंस शीट में ये गलत है या नहीं.
उन्होंने हाईलाइट कर दिया ना.
Then it has to be rectified. No,
as an auditor, they have done their job.
Sir, since last 10 years, last 3 साल से आपको बता रहे
हैं. What they can do? No, Vipul, as an auditor, do you expect that? No. ठीक है. Do you expect auditor to make a write-off on their own? They can't do that. उनके क्वालिफिकेशन के कारण आज हमने आईपीआर एटलीस्ट 50% से राइट ऑफ ले लिया.
विपुल जी, इफ यू सी द
वो भी सर मैं ऑब्जेक्शन ले रहा हूँ आईपीआर के लिए भी. ये सारी चीज के लिए मैं ही ऑब्जेक्शन ले रहा हूँ.
Vipul ji, if you see our previous auditor, you don't find any qualification. So even the IPR was not written off.
Savla is left.
So we have also asked the management to write off IPR and they have 50% reduced it, and we are also asking the management to rectify the other qualifications as well as soon as possible so that it can be a clean report as well from audit point of view.
Mr.
Currently, we are going to address, see their one qualification was rest. Next qualification was regarding impairment of IP that we extend. Next qualification is in terms of what you call internal auditor that we are going to appoint in current year. So we are adopting steps. Currently, what actually, what matters to the company is like what we can do in order to increase the revenue. That is what we have to concentrate. And yes, we'll invite Vipul being one of the major shareholders of the company, to guide us and see what best we can do for the company. People will call off the meeting right now.
Sir, Mr. Savla is there? Mr. Savla?
He has just left.
Okay. Because women director last time मैंने आपको ये बताया था, women director disqualified है, फिर भी आपने उसका रिपोर्ट पे सब कुछ डाला हुआ था.
तो डाला है ना वुमेन डायरेक्टर भी क्वालिफिकेशन.
मैंने उनको मेल डाला, उसके बाद ये सब किया आपने. Means we need to highlight everything what wrongful deeds are going on.
All right, people, thank you so much.
आपके पास इतना अच्छा लीगल नॉलेज होते हुए भी आप गलत होने दे रहे हो. आई एम सरप्राइज.
गलत होने नहीं दे रहा हूँ, गलत उनका कम कर रहा हूँ मैं तो.
आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड एंड शॉक्ड.
No. So, let's meet sometime.
Take care and see you all, sir, soon.
Yeah, thank you.
Next
Thank you.
AGM, hopefully.
No, in Pune we'll meet shortly.